Hey folks, it's William with All Solar Texas. If you're in the market for a new roof, just hold tight. You're going to want to hear what I have to say. Could save you thousands of dollars. Alright, but before we dive in, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap on that notification bell. That keeps you up to date with all the latest news that we produce here on the channel, as well as helps us out a little bit with YouTube. And we love hearing from you. Please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. Check out our website. We love hearing from customers, and whether or not you're an existing solar customer, you just have questions, or you're a potential solar customer and you want to find out what's in it for you, we'll get back to you quickly, and we love hearing from you. Alright, so if you clicked on this video, it's probably because you're in the market for a new roof. Did your roof get hammered by last winter's hailstorm? Is there damage to your roof and you just need repair work? Well, look no further. Now, I know that we're a solar company, but solar and roofing actually go hand in hand, and here's how. So here at All Solar Texas, we don't just think about our customers and what kind of solar system can we get on their roof, but we actually want to look at your roof. So we do a roof assessment to make sure that not only our crews can be up there safely, but that there's no damage that your roof can incur from the work that we're going to do in installing the solar system. Now, if your roof's been compromised in any way by any of the crazy weather events that we've had here at Texas over the last few years, or if your roof is just needing to be repaired because of time, right? It's maybe 20, 25 year roof and you've been in your home for that long, it's just time for a new roof. Give us a call. Roofing and solar are a match made in heaven, and here's why. When we do our roof assessment, if we find that there's some roof repair needed or maybe a new roof, we could bundle the two projects together, which makes you eligible for that 26% tax credit offered through the federal government for solar, but on both projects. Now, let's take a look at what this process would look like if you wanted to replace your roof today and you didn't bundle it with solar. You'd have to go out, call a roofing company, you'd have to get some quotes, and then you'd go ahead and go right into your pocket and pay all of those costs up front. The financing really isn't available there, and even if there is financing in your local area, it's probably high interest rates and you have a short period of time to pay that off. That's a lot of money out of your pocket. That's a lot of unexpected costs that could blow your budget right through the roof. But if you pair it with solar and you give us a call, what we'll do is we'll combine those projects together and offer you a bundled deal. So what does that look like? Well, we'll take that new roof and we'll bundle it in with that new solar system, and we'll call it one solar project, which now means that you can get a 26% tax credit on the whole project, not just the solar, but you're getting a 26% tax credit on that new roof as well. Also, the financing that we offer is available for both if we bundle them together, which means if we lock you into a low interest rate 15-year loan on the solar, that roof loan is going to be rolled right into that, which brings your overall monthly cost down to that single payment that you're going to be paying for both your solar and your roof. Most of the time, it's cheaper than what you're currently paying for your utility bills. So where else are you going to get that kind of deal, where you can get a new roof and a new solar system for one low monthly rate financed over a period of 10, 15, 20 years at a 0.99% interest rate or somewhere thereabouts? It's a great deal. So give us a call. We'll work with you. We'll go out, we'll do a roof assessment. If there's any repairs or a new roof that you're looking at or interested in, then we'll take care of that too. We manage that process end to end, keeping you in the loop all along the way. We don't subcontract out our work. We don't believe in shoddy roofing work just so we can get a nice solar system on there. We understand that for you, the homeowner, that this is an investment. It's an investment in your future. It's an investment in your family. So you want that roof to last 20, 25 years. So we back it up with a great warranty on both service and all of the materials. And you know that you want that solar system to last just as long so that you can get all that free energy for the remainder of the time that you're in that home. So we back that up too with a 25-year warranty on both parts and labor. So this is the perfect time to go solar when you're in the market for a new roof, or if you're just looking to save on energy costs. We're here to help. So give us a call at All Solar Texas. We're here to help you. Send us an email. Check out our website. We love hearing from you and we can't wait to help you. Alright folks, that about wraps it up for today. But before you take off, don't forget to leave a comment below. Give me feedback on these videos. Let us know how we're doing, or let us know if there's anything that you're interested in. We'll produce content based on your comments and feedback, and we can't wait to hear from you. Thank you, and God bless.